Good morning. Today I'm going to show you how to reset the tire pressure for the Volvo V40. Okay. First things, you need to press the my car button. Okay, and then you get to this screen, and then after that you press the OK button, and then this screen will come up. So if you turn to tire monitor, okay, yeah, tire monitor, and then this screen will come up. You know, once you get this screen come up, right, and then you just press the button OK, and then it will asking you to check the tire pressure. Once you've done it, right, you just press the OK button again, okay, and then it will start a calibration process. Okay, it take about maybe 1 minute. It's all done. That's it. And then you can exit the screen. Then yeah, it's all done. It's very simple. Thank you for watching.